The 10 essentials won't save you, not unless you actually know how to use them. And that's the part nobody talks about. Hi, I'm Bev from Adventure Seeking. I teach the 10 essentials. I carry them. I believe in them. But I've seen something over and over again. People think packing them equals readiness. It doesn't. The lie isn't that the 10 essentials don't matter. They do. The lie is that carrying them makes you prepared. Gear gives confidence. Skills give survival. Navigation. You packed a map. Great. Have you practiced using it without your phone? If your battery dies, does that map become decoration? Skill removes panic. Fire. You brought a lighter. Can you start one in the wind? In the rain? With cold hands? A Bic in your pack isn't survival. Practice is. Extra layers. Most hikers pack for warmth. Few manage sweat. Wet hikers get cold fast. Headlamp. When did you last check the batteries? Sunset doesn't care if you forgot. First aid. Do you know how to treat a sprain? Blisters? Early hypothermia? Or does the kit just make you feel prepared? Experienced hikers still get rescued, not because they didn't bring the gear, but because they overestimated their skill. Confidence without practice is risk wearing a backpack. Over the next few weeks, I'm breaking down each of the 10 essentials. Not what they are, but how to actually train with them. Because out there, knowledge weighs nothing, and it might just save your life. Let's start with fire. Here's the truth. Most hikers think fire means lighter plus wood. That's not how it works. Fire is a structure. Fire is preparation. Fire is patience. If you're cold, wet, and your hands are shaking, that's not the moment to learn this. You practice before you need it. First, pick your spot. Follow the regulations. Use existing fire rings when possible. Clear space around you. No overhanging branches. Control first, flame second. Now, understand this. You don't start a fire with big sticks. You build it in stages. Tinder, kindling, then fuel. Skip steps and you fail. Let's start with tinder. Tinder catches the spark and burns fast. From home, you can bring cotton balls with petroleum jelly, dryer lint, commercial fire starters, wax-dipped cardboard, fat wood. Simple, lightweight, reliable. But you should also know how to find it in the woods. All you have to do is look for birch bark, dry pine needles, cattail fluff, dry grass, fat wood from resin-rich pine, and feather sticks you can carve yourself. If it feels damp, don't use it. Dry is everything. Next is kindling. This is where most people fail. Kindling should be pencil lead size, pencil size, finger size. Gather more than you need. You'll burn through it fast. Look for dead twigs snapped off in trees, not wood lying on the ground. Standing dead wood is usually dry inside. You can split larger sticks to access the dry wood inside. Build small, let it grow. Now build your structure. Teepee, lean-to, log cabin. Light the tinder, put it inside, let it breathe, feed it slowly. Small to larger. Don't rush it. Fire rewards patience. Only after your kindling is fully burning, then you add the firewood. Wrist size, then forearm sized. If you build it correctly, you won't need to relight it. And here's something else. Redundancy matters. In my pack, I carry a Bic lighter, waterproof matches, and pre-made tinder. Because cold hands and fine motor skills don't match. Skills plus backup equals smart hiking. Here's the lie about fire. It's not about having flame. It's about knowing how to build one. Practice on a calm day, when you're warm, when you're comfortable. Because one day, you might need it on your worst one. And that's when skill makes the difference. This is how you use the 10 essentials, not just carry them. In the next episode, we'll cover layers. To know when it drops, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the trail.